got the 40 in his chrome. Everything else was down yellow gold. They like YG.
So I personally feel like one of the best ways of getting better at making beats is to make beats around vocals. So today we're gonna be taking the song Maniac from YG and we're gonna be making a whole new beat around it. Now I actually chose this song because I thought Hit Boy did an amazing job on the beat. It sounds really great. It's my favorite song on the album and I feel like it's the closest to my normal style. So if we try making my type of beat around it, it's gonna translate pretty well. So to get the vocals from the song, I'm gonna go to LALAL.AI and we're going to process the song there so it can extract the vocals. And boom, it's just that easy. Now all I gotta do is just download it and drop it into the project like this. Now for the video, to avoid any copyright claims, I have to pitch down the vocals and speed it up a little bit, but you can normally just leave it alone. Now LALAL.AI did an incredible job with the voice and noise filter because these vocals are clean. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just lay down some light drums just so we can kind of catch a groove. Then we're gonna start working on the melody. I always keep a MIDI just for the claps, just so I don't have to actually like click them all in and everything like that.
Nail off my mind, nail off my mind, nail off my mind, then turn to a maniac. Kidnap his bitch, she can't get his bitch back. Take that, take that, take that, take that.
All right, so that's the cool little foundation just so we can catch a groove. Now let's start working on the melody.
Nail off my mind, then turn to a maniac. $500,000 on my neck, I'm rocking big racks. Kidnap his bitch, she can't get his bitch.
Okay, that is pretty hard. So let's try to get some chords in here too. I really like just going to Analog Lab when I'm looking for some kind of like weird synth, kind of different-y kind of thing. You feel me? So I'm gonna go to keys and then let's go to a bank. You know what I mean? So we can get something kind of exclusive. I like the Vision Bank. You know what I mean? Like, let me just see something with this. Ooh, hold up. That was hard. That was hard. I was not expecting to use this right here, but I'm rocking with it. I'm rocking with it, man. But now I want to get like some regular chords, just like some chords. You know what I mean? So we're gonna open up Analog Lab again. We're gonna try this for the second time. Ooh, that's nice. I like that. I like that. I like that. I mean, we can just do like a regular chord like this right here. Hold up. Hold up, it's coming out kind of hard now. I kind of want to get like some arcade vocals up in here, bruh. I kind of want to get some vocals in here, bruh. I feel like that'd be super cool. And honestly, when it comes to like darker stuff, I like going to distant voices for vocals and everything like that. And recently, like, let me put y'all on real quick. You know what I mean? Because I saw Max Shooter do it, and I started using it. So this has been like my go-to kit for like weird dark vocals and stuff like that. Ancient Message. We're just gonna do like a little EQ like this right here, taking out a lot of the lows and then just taking out some of the highs as well. Then let's just try to find a place for them real quick.
I done lost my mind, I done turned to a maniac. The money got my head going, they don't know where he at. I be tripping with Goya luggage, I carry that. Fucking on a pop star, I'm trying to make that.
Yep. Maybe just duck out like a little bit more of those. Maybe make them a little bit quieter. Pan to the right a little bit. We can pan this to the left and everything like that. Now let's get one more set of chords in here just so we kind of layer everything and make it sound really full. Alright, so I like where everything is hitting so far, so I'm going to go into the Essentials Drum Kit MIDI. We're going to throw down some patterns in here to kind of spice everything up. All right, now it's time for the 808s.
I done lost my mind, I done turned to a maniac. The money got my head going, they don't know where he at. I done lost my mind, I done turned to a maniac. The money got my head going, they don't know where he at. I done lost my mind, I done turned to a maniac. The money got my head going, they don't know where he at. I done lost my mind, I done turned to a maniac. The money got my head going, they don't know where he at. I be tripping with Goya luggage, I carry that. Fucking on a pop star, I'm tryna make that. I done lost my mind.
This is so hard. I like where the beat is at right now, so we're gonna try to arrange it around the vocals real quick, man. So we're just gonna get rid of this. You know what I mean? If you don't know how to delete like the highlighted parts like that, just Control D. You feel me? Control D. Boom. Control. It just deletes it. So we're gonna take this pattern right here. We're gonna go split by channel. Now we got all these right here. Gonna highlight the first one. Then we're gonna hold down Shift. And as we're holding down Shift, we're gonna click on the very last one. So it highlights everything in between. And we're just gonna drag it in like this right here, brother. Now I'm gonna arrange it differently really quick just because I like having my melodies first, then the drums. So we're just gonna do this real quick. Boom, 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 something like this. And as you can see, bro, like I didn't even really throw a whole bunch of like percussions and sound effects in here and anything like that. I just felt like with where it stands right now, it just sounds good. You feel me? Okay, so for the beginning, we can get rid of all these drums right here. And then it looks like the hook starts right here. Should I put my tag on this? I feel like I need to put my tag on this. So maybe it could be something like this for the beginning. You know what I mean? And then maybe we can cut out the last 4 bars and we can do kind of like that little bump little thing like that. And then maybe we could throw a transition right there too, just so it goes like mad smooth and everything like that. Yes, sir. Now let's see what that sounds like real quick.
Hey, go ahead, Infinite.
They say I lost my mind, I done turned to a maniac. $500,000.
Okay, so right here it looks like we got like the chick talking and everything like that. So we're gonna cut out the drums and cut out some of the melodies probably. So maybe we can start off with like the hi-hats, maybe like right here. Bring the clap in like right here. Just make it kind of interesting, a little bit different, you know what I mean? All right, and then I'm gonna start like moving the melodies around too. Maybe like bring this back in like halfway through.
I'm tryna make that.
Watching you change ever since you been fucking with them superstar bitches.
Ain't around tripping, this how I'm feeling. Only thing changed the drip, bitch, I'm chilling. Smelling like time.
So normally the verse would end right here, but it actually ends right here. But I think this part right here is just moved to the side because of the talking part right here. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do, just to make sure everything lines up correctly and everything like that, we're gonna take this whole thing and we're gonna move it over. But with that being said, now I wanna move this stuff right here. All right, so now the hook starts over again right here. So just to kind of like make everything interesting right before it goes back into the hook, I'm just gonna cut out this part right here. Also, maybe get rid of this right here, maybe, I'm not sure. When it goes back into the hook, it doesn't just sound like the exact same like pattern that we was doing before. I like making sure that like the verse and the hook sound substantially different, you feel me? You can just start copying over everything again. Now, normally, you know what I mean, I would just copy over the verse and everything like that. But remember, we have to take out these 2 bars right here, so we're only gonna copy over this part right here. All right, cool, and it lines up well too, so let's figure out what we're gonna do for the outro.
Say I lost my mind, say I lost my mind. I be tripping with Goya luggage, I carry that. Say I lost my mind, I done turned to a
And boom, just like that, you can get better at making beats by making them around vocals. Once again, thank you to LALA.AI. This video would not have been possible without them. If you want to like the video, hit the like. If you want to comment, throw a comment. If you want to sub, hit the sub. And peace out.
They say I lost my mind, I done turned to a maniac. $500,000, my nigga, I'm rocking big racks. Kidnap his bitch, he can't get his bitch back. Take that, take that, take that, take that. I done lost my mind, I done turned to a maniac. The money got my head going, they don't know where he at. I be tripping with Goya luggage, I carry that. Fucking on a pop star, I'm tryna